13 marks, mate. Can you really afford to mess up such an easy question? So find the area between the tangent to the curve at A, the curve itself, and the x-axis. Now, they did say in the question that A is where the curve crosses the y-axis. So the first thing we're going to obviously want to do here is, well, actually, there's a lot of things going on. We need to make a plan. Most likely, we should just work out what the equation of that tangent is, because the strategy we're going to use here is to do the triangle minus this area. Now, this area here is the area under the curve between 0 and wherever it crosses the x-axis. So it's good with these questions to make a plan. So let's just work out what the equation of the tangent is. So here's my equation of my curve. To work out the equation of the tangent at this point, we're going to have to find the gradient function, dy by dx, which is already worth a lot of marks in itself, just differentiating this. The 2 goes, we get minus 1, so that's differentiated, minus 2x. Okay, now what's the x value here? X is 0. So dy by dx, when x is 0, is just minus 1. Okay, and then we're just going to sub in the coordinate. Now a has a coordinate, x is 0. When you sub in x is 0, you get 2. Okay, so we know the y-intercept. So actually we know immediately what the equation of the tangent is. Y equals mx plus c. So just minus x plus c. I want to find out where it crosses the x-axis. When you make y equals 0, you just get x is 2. So I'm trying to save space here. So that is 2. We have 0 and we have 2. So we are going to work out the area of the triangle, which is a half of the base length. Half of 2 is 1 times 2, just 2. Okay, so that's the area of the triangle. Now we're going to work out the area of the curve between 0 and wherever this point is. So for that, we're going to have to make this equal 0, right? So we're going to move that all to the other side. We get x squared plus x minus 2 is 0. X, 2, 1. To make plus 1, we need plus 2 minus 1. So x is 1 and x is minus 2. So minus 2 is going to be here. This is just 1. So we're going to integrate this curve between 0 and 1. Or 2 minus x. Try not to sneeze. That. Okay, so we get 2x minus a half x squared minus a third x cubed. 0 and 1. 2 minus a half minus a third. Something in 0 is just 0. You actually need to show that in the exam. You need to show that.